Flow meters. It is one of the basic equipment that should be known in anesthesia. And as a postgraduate student, a lot of questions will be asked on this. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Azam. I'm academic head, consultant anesthesiologist and critical care specialist at Bhagwan Mahavir Jain Hospital. So let's look at something we use every day in anesthesia practice, the flow meter. The image that is shown is about the flow meters. The flow meters can be used for nitrous, air and oxygen. There are a few important questions that one must know. So what do we need to know about the flow meters? The first question is, what exactly is a flow meter? That is a definition that you have to know. What's the name of the tube used inside the flow meter? And what are the principal properties of the gases that affect the flow both at low flows and high flows? Let's take each question step by step. For the first one, what is a flow meter? A flow meter simply measures and indicates the rate of flow of gases passing through it. It is a monitoring and a delivery tool that helps us titrate gases precisely to the patient. The second question, what's the name of the flow meter tube? We can call it as a flow tube, but more specifically, the examiner wants to hear this name. It is known as Thorpe's tube. That's the standard terminology you should remember. The third question and the final question is probably the most important one conceptually. What are the physical properties of the gases flowing through the flow meter and how do they behave at low and high flows? So, at low flow, the length of the tube is more than the diameter. So, there is a longer, narrower constriction. At this flow range, the gas movement depends upon the viscosity of the gas and it follows Poiseuille's law. There is an easy way to remember this. LV Prasad. L for low flow, V for viscosity and P is for Poiseuille's law. At low flows, it depends on viscosity and Poiseuille's law. Now coming to high flows, the diameter becomes more significant, especially when the constriction is shorter and wider. So at high flows, the gas behavior is determined by the density and it is explained by Graham's law. So how do we remember this? Like how we have LV Prasad for low gas flows, like that we have HDG. H for high flows depends on density and it is Graham's law. So to summarize, low flows depends on viscosity, Poiseuille's law come into place. At high flows depends on density, Graham's law comes into place. The concept is essential for understanding how flow meter function accurately for managing different gases under variable flow rates. This is one of the most important topic that it could be asked in your vivas, that is the afternoon session. So thank you so much for watching and as always, happy learning, best wishes, hope to see you. Thank you.